Hi student, welcome to Naren Bhadoria Group of Education Institute. In Uno, myself Himanshu Tiwari, subject math, class 9, English medium. First chapter, number system. Number system given rational numbers. Rational number. Any numbers written as P upon Q. Any numbers written as P upon Q. And P and Q are integers and Q does not equal to 0 is called the rational number. Or if any numbers written as P upon Q is called the rational number. P and Q are integers and Q does not equal to 0. P and Q are integers. What do you mean integers? Integers, again repeat. You know unnatural numbers. What natural numbers? All counting numbers are 1 to infinite numbers. All counting numbers is called the natural number, and whole numbers included 0 and 1 to infinite are counting numbers is called the whole numbers. Depend on both is integers denoted by Z, because Z becomes a German word, Jahlin. Jahl means infinitely count numbers. Then Jahlin means many numbers counting, or counting numbers means integers denoted by Z. Z integers definitions. Then positive and negative both counting numbers included 0 is called the integers. Suppose that minus 2, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, and plus 3 up to that infinite. Hence, repeated that rational number P and Q. Rational number definition: if any numbers written as P upon Q, P and Q are the integers and Q does not equal to 0. Suppose that 1 is a rational number, 1 by 2 rational number, 3 by 5 rational number, up to infinite. This is the rational number. First question: suppose that 0 is a rational number. Yes or no? Mostly answer yes, and some answer is no. But 0 is a rational number because 0 upon any numbers you write it. 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3, 0 by 4, continue. Then 0 is the rational number. Same one topic again used 2 or 3 minutes. If any two numbers are given, 1 and 2, how to find out mid rational numbers or between rational numbers? Mid find out करने के लिए formula justly use the formula. Suppose that x1 is equal to this numbers let x1 and this x2. Then first rational number r1 is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2. x1 plus x2 upon 2. Then like 1 plus 2 by 2. Then 3 by 2. Then 1.5. Next number 3 by 2 is the rational number. 1 and 2 mid rational numbers 3 by 2. Otherwise find out 1 and 2 any 2 rational number, 5 rational numbers, 7 rational number, 8 rational numbers. How to find out? Then same condition 1 dry line. First is 1, second is 2. Mid numbers you find 3 by 2. Next numbers R2 is this and this. 1 plus 3 by 2 upon 2. Then LCM is 2. 2 plus 3 by 2. Then 3 to 5 by 4. You find out. Other simple method. This is the first method and it's second method. Both numerator and denominator both multiply 10. Then 1 into 10 upon 10 and 2 into 10 by 10. Then 10 by 10 and 20 by 10. Make rational numbers 11 by 10, 12 by 10, 13 by 10, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19 by 10. Okay. Now a simple method and next third. How many numbers are found out? Then any rational numbers. Suppose that 1.